Transform your communication workflows and elevate customer engagement by automating your phone calls and SMS messages with Zapier. Let's dive into how you can harness the power of Zapier for phone integrations, starting with creating a new automation, or Zap. First, we define what kicks off our automation. This is your trigger, for example. Let's say a new lead is added to your CRM. Search for your CRM, like HubSpot or Salesforce, and select the specific event, such as new contact or new lead. Next, connect your account to Zapier and choose the exact trigger you want to monitor. This tells Zapier when to activate. Now, for the action, this is what happens when the trigger is met. We're focusing on phone services. Search for your chosen business phone provider, like Twilio, RingCentral, or even native phone apps if supported. Once your phone service is selected, you can choose the action you want to perform. Options could include sending an automated SMS, making a direct call, or even logging call details. Let's configure sending an SMS. You'll map the recipient's phone number from your trigger app, like the new lead's phone number from your CRM. Then, craft your message. You can even pull in details from your trigger to personalize it. Alternatively, you might want to log call details. Select an action like log incoming call or log outgoing call, and map the relevant information from your trigger and your phone service. With your trigger and action set up, Zapier creates a seamless bridge. For instance, when a new lead enters your CRM, an automated welcome SMS is instantly sent, or a notification call is placed. This means no more missed opportunities or manual follow-ups. Your business phone system works intelligently in the background, enhancing customer engagement and saving valuable time. By connecting your apps with phone services through Zapier, you unlock powerful automation possibilities, streamlining communication and boosting your overall efficiency.